Using state-of-the-art 3D cutting-edge technology, innovative technology has developed an easy-to-use automatic filling station for strip packers. The Fillin Station is available in two sizes. The Fillin Station 600 packages one strip at a time at speeds up to 60 packages per minute. The Fillin Station 2000 packages two strips at a time at speeds up to 120 packages per minute. Production will be increased at an average of 25% when the Fillin Station is installed. Fillin stations are 30 to 40% faster than other automatic feeders and cost an average of 35% less. The user-friendly installation of the Fillin Station can be done without any tools. The Fillin Station has no electronics and requires no calibrations. Changeovers are easy and organized. We have an easy system for removing pills from the previous job. Open the removable gate and clean out the remaining pills. The Fillin Station has a built-in organizer that holds the throat and throat remover. To start a new job, use the built-in pill sizer to help determine what template to use.